Hi,
Hi, I'm Papia.
I'm Amit. So from last end of 2021, we settled in Bangalore, and we had a dream of making our own dream villa. So we got name of Mr. Anirban Dutta from Formations through a very reliable person, very respected person, and we contacted Mr. Anirban Dutta and we put our thoughts in front of him. He gave us the first drawing what he has given us, fell in love with that, and we started working on that. The things which are coming up, it was so exciting throughout the journey, and at the end also you can see the whole thing in front of you, which was fabulously done, and it was taken care by the company like as if it's a child for them, and that's what happened.
Our dream villa was more a dream come true for both of us. My requirement was elegance with soul, and also the priority was lot of comfort and peace, which you can see in each and every corner of my dream house. We thank Mr. Anirban Dutta from Formations. He has been very supportive in all our decisions, and his own plans and his designs are par excellence. Thank you so much.
Thank you.